Alright guys, pretty much over the next couple videos I'm going to just kind of show you my apartment complex and what I usually go around and mess with. As everyone knows, AC3 is getting ready to come out, so a lot of my tree climbing inspiration has to do with that. Anyways, here's another little spot I'll do precisions from. Go back up. It's actually kind of hard because it's coming from an angle. I'm actually jumping from bottom to top, so yeah. So let's go explore. This is one of my favorite areas coming up. There's a tree over here that is really good for climbing. There she is. As y'all can tell, it's a pretty good tree. Alright, I'll start it back up when I get back in there. I'll go in the tree.